A garden is rectangular with a width of 8 feet in length and the width is 8 feet and the length is 6 feet. So I'm going to sketch that out. And it says it's surrounded by a walkway that's 2 feet wide. How many square feet of area does the walkway cover? So first I'm going to draw that rectangular garden. And it says that it's 8 feet by 6 feet, right? All right, so this is the little garden with flowers in it or whatever. Then it says it's surrounded by a walkway 2 feet wide. So around this garden is a walkway that extends 2 feet and I don't know why my pen is not erasing. Okay, so that's what the walkway around the garden looks like. And it extends 2 feet from each side. What we're asked to do is find the area of the walkway. Okay. All right, so let's see if we can make this not look too messy. All right, so here again, I want to find the total width and the total length. So what's my total length? Well, there's 8 feet from the length of the garden, and then there's 2 feet on each side, right? So my total length is 12 feet. Next, I'm going to find the total width or height. So the width of my garden is 6, and then it extends 2 feet on each side. Therefore, the total width is 10 feet. All right, now the next thing I want to do is I want to subdivide into different shapes. Okay. So I'm going to kind of erase some of this stuff that's on the inside. Okay, for whatever reason, this pen is not working. All right, so I'm going to divide this up, and I really do want to remove these lines. I'm going to use some horizontal slices. So I'm going to divide it here. And I'm going to divide it here. And then that's going to give me 4 shapes or 4 different rectangles. And let me see if I can remove the lines. That would help out a whole lot. All right, so it looks something like this. All right. So I'm going to call this rectangle 1. I'm going to call this rectangle 2. I'm going to call this rectangle 3 and rectangle 4. So just like we did in the last problem, we're going to find the area for each rectangle, add them together. All right, so first let's find the area of rectangle 1. So the area of rectangle 1, that's equal to the length times the width. What is the length and what is the width? Well, I know that my length should be 12 and my height is going to be 2. Right, so my length here is 12 because that's my overall length, and then my height is 2, right, 2 feet because it extends 2 feet. So if I find the area of rectangle 1, that's 12 times 2, which is 24. The same thing is true for area 2, the area of rectangle 2. So to find the area of rectangle 2, I'm going to use the area formula for a rectangle. That's the length times the width. The length is going to be 12. The width is going to be 2. Right? My length is the overall length. And since it extends 2 feet, the height is 2. So once I multiply the length times the width, again I get 24. And since I'm talking about area, that should be square foot. Now I'm going to find the area of rectangle 3. So the area of rectangle 3, that's equal to the length times the width. I know that my length should be 2 and my height should be 6. So my length is equal to 2 feet and the height is equal to 6 feet. Right? So if I multiply 2 times 6, I get 12 square feet. And then last, we're going to find the area of rectangle 4. And the area of rectangle 4 should be the exact same area as rectangle 3, right? Because they have the same dimensions. The length is 2 feet and the width is 6 feet. So to find the area of rectangle 4, the height is equal to 6. So the area of rectangle 4 is 12 square feet. So now to find the total area of the walkway, we just add up all 4 rectangles. So the total area is 24 square feet plus another 24 square feet plus 12 square feet plus another 12 square feet. Add that all up together and I believe we get 72 square feet.